Tell me about your favorite fruit of the moment.
Ooh, my favorite fruit of the moment would definitely be finger lime. I think it's having a moment. I love finger lime. It's really nice to use in cooking.
It tastes really good too, doesn't it?
It tastes really zesty and zingy. And did you know that it contains about 3 times the amount of vitamin C as a mandarin does?
Love that.
Which is wonderful. And it is quite a potent antioxidant. So really, really good for your cells and guarding against chronic disease. So your cells are nice and healthy. And
that means you age better.
You age better.
Yeah.
And very good for skin because it contains vitamin E as well. And the other good thing I like about finger lime, and not many people know about, but the fiber content. It's very good for a healthy digestion and helps to relieve constipation.
Gosh, yeah, there's nothing worse, is there? My favorite fruit of the moment, Kakado plum. I love Kakado plum because, it's one of our natives and it's a treasured native. It's also really rich in vitamin C. We're having a bit of a vitamin C moment, aren't we? We happen to love skin glow. And that's what vitamin C is so good for, isn't it?
Yeah.
So apparently Kakado plum, which tastes delicious as well. It's got a lovely sweet citrusy taste. It has about 100 times the vitamin C content of oranges. Wow. And I'm really into longevity. So vitamin C is super important if you want to live longer, live better, improve that health span.